There's a new sheriff in town. You want a piece of me, Tate? You don't know what it takes to be a man, because you're just a wimp. You've never even probably beat anybody in a fight. I know you've been in a few because I beat you up a couple times. I've never seen anybody else beat you up, dude. So I think you're a pussy. Anyways, heard you've been picking on my cousin Toby. You don't know him like I know him. He's my best friend. And I'll beat you up next time I see you if he reports in a bad report. Anyways, I made this vlog to show people my new belts. Belt buckles, technically. I wear two at a time. Just like guns, I carry two at a time like Bruce Willis on the Last Man Standing movie. You don't want to fight me because it will hurt if you do. It's bad for your health. And you don't want to get smashed. By me. If you're a dude, trust me.